Hi everyone, I'm Tim from DNM Suspension Technology. Everyone knows DNM has been well known for the inverted front forks. But now for this year, we are promoting our newest non-inverted front forks, which the model name is this one, the FDH, which it is non-inverted front fork with the main and sub air chamber adjust. And plus compression and rebound adjustments can provide the rider as what they need. Please refer to our website dnmshop.com for more suspension information.